Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the second video here in the Academy. Today I want to talk to you about how to make money with SEO, because this is the main point of this course. You need to know how to make money with it before you know how to do it. So there are two main ideas. The first one is rank sites for clients and get paid monthly by doing so. So this is, for example, say you approach a dentist and you tell him, look, I do SEO, this is what I do exactly. I'm going to take your site and start ranking it until it reaches number one. Once it reaches number one, you'll keep on paying me so I can maintain the rankings. So basically, he'll be paying you since you start working till he reaches number one, and then he'll keep on paying you to maintain his rankings. Basically, he'll pay you on a monthly basis for you to do your work on their site. Now, the second way is rank your own site and sell leads to companies, for example, dentists, plastic surgeons, plumbing companies, etc. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Say, for example, you rank a site about dentists, or let's say plumbing, because that's the example I have here. Let's say you rank a site, your own site, you own the asset, so the asset is your site. You rank a site for plumbing. And then you'll have a phone number and an email, which will redirect to the company that you're sending leads to. So, for example, before you set this up, and we'll talk about this in the future, but basically you get in touch with the company, and instead of telling them, let's say a plumbing company, instead of telling them, let me work on your site on a monthly basis, like the previous example, you tell them, so I already have a site, and I already have it ranking on top of Google, and I get a ton of calls, a ton of emails of people wanting the services, and I don't have anywhere to send them to. So do you want to take these clients? And most likely they'll say yes, because it's free money for them. And that's how you that's how you sell the leads. So basically, you'll redirect the phone number on your site to theirs as well as the email. But more on this later. This is just for you to get an idea of how exactly we can make money with SEO. Then there are less common methods. That being said, even though they're less common, they aren't less profitable. These are extremely profitable as well. So after we finish this course and have a couple of clients under our belt, you'll be able to sell your services to other individuals doing SEO, or even digital marketing agencies looking to outsource some work. But again, more on that later. And then you again be able to sell your already ranked site. So instead of selling leads on your ranked sites, you can sell the sites. You can rent your ranked sites with an overlay plugin. So instead of sending leads with a phone number and an email redirecting to the companies that are paying you for leads, you flat out rent the whole site with a plugin that we'll be covering later on. Again, more on that on later modules. All these are explained in details in the next modules. This was just a video for you to be aware how money is made with SEO and the different ways you can do it yourself. Okay, so that being said, I'll see you in the next video.